Makita's 14-inch 73cc industrial power cutter has a 5-stage filtration system with advanced directional airflow which provides very clean air for better saw performance. It has cushioned operator grips with 4 vibration-absorption rubber buffers for increased operator comfort. The water kit assembled to saw can be used with garden hose, gravity feed tank or pressure tank. A microchip-controlled carburetor is designed to compensate engine timing according to workload. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Improved decompression valve and metering spring for precise fuel regulation at startup. Number 2. Start capacitor with start support function resulting in significantly less pull start force. Number 3. On-off choke operation switch on a single lever for operator convenience. Number 4. 5-stage filtration system with advanced directional airflow provides cleaner air for better saw performance. Number 5. Starter grip decompression valve for faster starting. Number 6. A 5-stage filter system with advanced directional airflow ensures clean air for added performance and long engine life. Number 7. Ignition coil with start support function stores electrical energy each pull for easier startups. Number 8. SLR muffler recycles unburned fuel vapor, reducing scavenging losses up to 15%. Improved consumption. Number 9. Change blade from central to outbound flush position for lateral cuts in less than 2 minutes. Number 10. Carburetor engineered with improved Deco-Valve and metering spring for precise fuel regulation at startup. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.